Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Kevin Jorgensen and in this video I'm going to do a quick trail review about the Motor Nature Trail in Kings Canyon National Park. The official name of this trail is the River Road. It's easy to find but also easily missed by most people. Now, I can't give you the exact coordinates of this trail, but I can give you a small clue. This trail is right next to the Roaring River. It's a one-way road that is mostly flat and can be done with any vehicle with just enough clearance. This trail is approximately 3 miles long. On your right side, you will see the north wall of the canyon. You can also find a number of spots where you can park and have a quick picnic. Perfect place to rest and take a quick dip in the river. This road is narrow and it's not suitable for RVs or other large vehicles. The maximum vertical clearance for this trail is about 9 feet. Overnight camping is also not allowed in here. Kings Canyon is surrounded by backcountry fire roads that most people never get to visit. The Motor Nature Trail is one of them. Overall, this trail is very quick and easy, no technical whatsoever, beautiful scenic views as you pass through the trail. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching my quick trail review of Kings Canyon, a Motor Nature Trail. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to watch our adventures here in Kings Canyon and Sequoia National Park, make sure to check one of the cards above or see description down below. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.